Have you ever pondered upon the unchanging nature of the Quran? How has it remained secure and unaltered for over a millennium? Welcome, dear viewers, to an exploration of this very phenomenon. Today we delve into the 10 security facts of the Quran's preservation in memory. From the time of the Prophet Muhammad, the Quran has been memorized word for word by millions, forming a human chain of preservation. This oral tradition has been a significant factor in maintaining the Quran's security, the Quran's written preservation. In addition to memorization, the Quran was written down during the lifetime of the Prophet Muhammad. This early documentation has been instrumental in ensuring the Quran's security over the centuries. The consistency of the Quran. Despite being revealed over a period of 23 years, the Quran maintains a consistent message and theme. This consistency further secures its authenticity. Fact number 4, the Quran's linguistic perfection. The Quran is written in classical Arabic, a language known for its complexity and richness. Its unparalleled linguistic excellence acts as a layer of security, as any alteration would disrupt this perfection. Fifthly, the Quran's challenge. The Quran itself poses a challenge to mankind to produce a chapter like its own. This challenge, unmet till today, further secures the Quran's authenticity. Number 6, the Quran's universal applicability. The Quran's teachings are applicable to all times and places, further reinforcing its authenticity and security. Fact number 7, the Quran's prophetic accuracy. The Quran contains many prophecies that have come true, adding to its security as an unaltered text. Fact number 8, the Quran's scientific accuracy. The Quran contains references to scientific facts only discovered recently, further testifying to its security. Number 9, the Quran's mathematical structure. The Quran has a complex mathematical structure which adds another layer of security, as any alteration would disrupt this intricate pattern. Lastly, the 10th fact, the Quran's spiritual impact. The Quran has a profound spiritual impact on its readers, which is consistent across time and cultures. This consistent effect further testifies to its security and authenticity. To summarize, the Quran's security is maintained through a combination of factors. These include its preservation in memory and in writing, its consistent message, its linguistic perfection, its unmet challenge, its universal applicability, its prophetic and scientific accuracy, its mathematical structure, and its profound spiritual impact. These 10 facts come together to form a robust security system, ensuring that the Quran remains as it was revealed over 1,000 years ago, pure, unaltered, and profoundly